What's up? It's Susie and Todd from Hey Grill Hey. Today we're cooking a Cowboy style grilled chicken sandwich, complete with fried onion rings, all done on your grill. It is one of the best chicken sandwiches you'll ever have.
Muy primo.
Let's do it. You ready for a grilled Cowboy style chicken sandwich?
I'm always ready for that.
Always. This is one of my favorite sandwiches. It's a couple of components, but it's so fun. You can do it all on your grill and it tastes very good. We're gonna start by seasoning our chicken breast with some sweet rub.
The neighbors are playing pickleball.
Oh, well, they're having a really great day. We'll be jealous of them playing pickleball and they'll be jealous of us eating sandwiches. Let's do...
Maybe I'll give them a sandwich and say, go inside, please.
Let's do 4. We're gonna season these with sweet rub. Now these are chicken breasts, but you can also use boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which we always love a chicken thigh as well. So this is kind of dealer's choice.
How's it looking? Good looking?
Great.
Is that how that works?
Yep. So I've got my grill set up for 2-zone heat. I have some oil preheating directly over the coals. We're gonna be frying our onion rings in the hot oil. But while our oil's preheating, we're gonna start cooking our chicken breast through on the indirect heat side. Because the hot coal's underneath, the sugar on the outside of the seasoning, we don't want these to burn. So over here, not on the coals.
Reverse seared chicken?
Yeah. And we're gonna let those go and our oil get hot while we make our onion rings. Okay.
Wait. I gotta do something. This is your dad? I saw him do this one time and I have to try it. He's like, this is the best little treat.
I already feel sad about this because I love my dad, but he has weird...
This is a Dave Cowan special.
Weird food habits.
He's like, oh, we have extra buttermilk? I'm just gonna put some pepper in it. And then he just like...
Oh, wow.
I feel bad about that in my soul. I'm not doing that.
No, I just wanted to try it.
Was it a good
The buttermilk was available. Let's go.
Was it a good little treat?
I mean, it's weird.
Okay, that's why my dad's not a YouTuber with food, I guess. All right, so we've got a sliced sweet onion, pretty thick, substantial rings. We were making a dry dredge, so all-purpose flour, seasoned salt, some smoked paprika. Mix that up real quick. And then we've got just some buttermilk, regular buttermilk. It's not seasoned, there's not pepper in it. You don't have to drink it. It just goes into this bag here. I guess we don't have to do it in a bag, but I've always found it a little bit easier to do this step in bags. Okay, so onions into the flour, toss those around. Once they get a nice light dusting of flour, yeah, we'll do it with fingers. They go into the buttermilk.
I got pepper stuck in my braces.
That was a really weird choice, Todd, and I did not condone it. Okay, flour into the buttermilk.
Let me guess, you're gonna swoosh it.
Swoosh it.
And then more flour?
Back into the flour. So we got a little dry dredge, wet dredge,
Now where are they gonna
dry
go?
dredge situation. So that's gonna be our little coating for our onion rings.
Cool.
Yeah. This isn't like a cornmeal battered, crusted onion ring. I really want the onions to taste like onions. And this just helps them be nice and crispy and a little more substantial.
It's 300, dear.
Not quite, but close enough. We'll clean up our workstation and then we'll deep fry these onion rings. I'm looking for my oil temperature to be about 400 degrees, so we should be there soon.
Clean up, everybody, everywhere.
Oil's hot, I'm gonna fry these onion rings, but I need somewhere to put them on when they come out. Will you grab me like a, not your hands, like a cookie sheet or something with paper towel on it? Thank you. Yes. It seems intimidating, but it's not. You can also do it inside. I prefer to fry outside because deep frying makes the house kind of smell bad.
I just am afraid of it catching a spark and it igniting, dude.
It's a really deep pan. That's the secret, is having a nice deep pan for your oil.
Ooh.
While my last batch of onion rings is frying, I'm gonna get my bacon on the grill. You can also cook this in a pan, but we got hot coals, so let's use the heat we got.
What, deep fry it?
This is peppered bacon. No, I'm not gonna deep fry the bacon. Peppered bacon And I'm gonna drizzle on a little bit of maple syrup so I get a little like sweet heat candied bacon situation.
My next band.
Candied bacon situation?
Yeah.
That's a good name for a band. Onion rings are ready, bacon's cooking, chicken's almost done. Let's get the rest of our toppings for our sandwich and then we can assemble. Bacon's coming off. Chicken's just about done. I'm gonna slide some cheese on my chicken so it can start to melt.
Slide?
And I'm gonna toast my buns.
Wait. Slide it.
Slap it. I'm gonna slap it. Slap some cheese on my chicken. What would you prefer, Todd?
I don't know. I wanted to see you slide it.
Well, you get a slap instead. Do you want some mayo on yours?
Is the sky purple?
Well, go grab some mayo.
Ready? Here I go.
Okay.
Go!
It's time for chicken sandwich assembly. So a little bit of mayo on the bottom.
Do you want mayo on yours?
Yeah, will you put a little mayo on mine too?
A little.
A little bit. Melty.
Do you want more than that?
Yes.
Oh, you said a little.
Like a regular sandwich amount.
Oh, well, you should have said that.
It's like making a sandwich with the Three Stooges.
I don't know. I'm sorry. Nyuk, nyuk, nyuk.
Okay. Grilled chicken. Now I like mine with a little bit of barbecue sauce. We're gonna use some everything sauce.
Can I just make this at home or should I buy it in the store?
I have a recipe for this. If you look up Hey Grill Hay's Kansas City style barbecue sauce, it'll get you a close approximation. Or you can buy this at the store.
Oh.
Then you just have a really delicious barbecue sauce. Or you can use your favorite barbecue sauce at home. Some bacon that I didn't burn on the grill, Todd. I know you were very concerned.
I was more concerned about your hair.
I like mine with some candied jalapenos, or not candied. These are pickled, but you could do candied jalapenos.
Dude, that'd be so good.
You can put whatever you want on these. This is what I like on mine.
Then I'll do an extra onion ring. If I can have whatever I want.
Sandwiches are assembled. That means it's our favorite time. It's taste test Todd time. This is the best part of the video. This yours?
Yep.
This mine. You ready?
Oh, wow, it's so good.
Dude.
That's oniony and saucy and jalapeno-y.
Smoky from cooking that on the grill. Sweet from the barbecue sauce. That is a perfect grilled chicken sandwich. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. You can find it on heygrillhay.com or on the Hey Grill Hey app. See you next time.